Hey guys, I'm Tim Higham with Remax Core Realty here in Prince George, and I'm excited to bring you the market report up to the end of February 2021. Before I get started, just want a quick note. If you're looking to sell or buy a home in this market, I'd love to connect with you and see how I can help you make a successful purchase or get the most out of your sale. Let's connect. I'm going to be discussing detached homes within the city limits. Average sales price was $462,084. That was up from $357,965, a rise of 29%. That is huge. Price per square foot was at $199. That's up from $177 last year. That's a rise of 12.4%. Percent of original sales price, we had 99.5. There's a 0.5% of wiggle room on houses. So if you're wondering, geez, like how much should I offer? Basically list price or within 0.5%. Average days on market right now, we're sitting at 28. That's down from 48 last year. That's a decrease of 42%. New listings, we had 95. That's up from 62 last year. That's a rise of 53%. So sellers are taking advantage of the hot market. They're bringing their homes on market a little bit early this year to try to take advantage of that. Active listings, 103 compared to 149 last year. So even though we have more new listings coming on, the amount of active listings are down because we have so much activity. The houses are getting snapped up. Sales, there were 55 sales in February compared to 37 last year, a rise of 48.6%. And months of supply sitting at 1.4. That's up a little bit from last month where we were at 1 month, but still extremely low, definitely in a seller's market. So what does this mean for you? Sellers, you could be in a great position. If you've been holding a property a while, chances are it's gone up more than you realized. Give me a call if you'd like to discuss your current home value and what it would look like to get it on the market and get you top dollar. For buyers, you need to have a solid game plan. You need to make sure that your pre-approval is very good. You're working with a good mortgage professional, that you're working with an agent who has a good understanding of being successful in competitive offer situations. You're going to run into those. So that's it for this time. I'd love to connect with you. If you have any questions, please reach out. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching and take care.